Hey guys, welcome back to This Tools. Another tool haul today. Exciting one, so let's get right into it. Starting down here at bottom left, I got a 50 pack, 120 grit, orbital sounding disc, Diablo. Got these on sale, about 18 bucks. Can't beat them. So there's that. Some of this stuff I forgot to show in other hauls. So here we go. This is a DeWalt big ship auger. It says on it somewhere. I can read it even. 1.25 inch. I think that was 4 or 5 bucks. I got a couple of these Rapids. They're great for extension cords. You roll them up, get them in there, strap it. You can hang it, throw them wherever you want. So there's that. This I found at a dollar store. It's just a Stanley painter's knife. It had a big sticker on both sides. I used Goo Gone and brake clean. It didn't take it off very well. But there's that guy. Went to KMS Tools today. This little guy, a Wera Phillips number 0. This is 6 or 7 bucks. Sorry guys, another long day. It's been busy lately. Just life, you know? That ever happened to you? You know, life gets busy? Well, I'll show you here real quick. So this is a 18-inch pipe wrench I got. It's a ETF limited pipe wrench. It's quite cool. It's exactly where it's made. St. Catharines, Ontario, Canada. Still a long way from me, but Canada made nonetheless. So there's that guy, and you can see how rough this is. It was so caked in with grease. Still haven't got it all out. You can see there in the jaw and whatnot. But after evaporust and some good wire brushing, here's what your finished product will end up like. So it's quite nice. I'll probably show it again in a video once it's completely done. I just didn't have a tub the right size to fit that guy in right now. This is just a random little screwdriver. No branding. I just like it. It's a nice wide blade for how tiny this thing is. Here, Makita subcompact impact driver, brushless. There's your, sorry about that, shake, your model number. This is the newer model. It's like a 1/4 of an inch shorter and I think 10 inch-pounds more torque or something. But I got this in a kit, just a standard charger and a modern 3-amp battery with the battery gauge. Got this for $129 Canadian. Thought that was a really good deal, considering a 3-amp battery on sales are about 80 bucks. So I was happy to have that. It's definitely my favorite impact driver I've ever used so far. It's got more power than the M12 Gen 2 fuel, and it's more comfortable in the hand. It's got a really good grip on it, and yeah, I like it a lot. I've actually done quite a bit of work with this. Charged the battery when I got it, and it's still full. So happy about that. There's that guy. Next, let's go over this guy. This is, it's not a red stick, sadly. It's a little big for the camera, but it is a Milwaukee level, 24-inch magnetic. The magnet isn't super strong. It'll stick on here, but you see it'll hold itself, but just touching it will take it away. I didn't have a 24-inch level. I have a couple torpedo levels and a real big 4-footer. So this is something I needed just for putting up shelves and cabinets and just normal workshop stuff and house stuff and whatnot. It's quite accurate. It's got the many different the little bubbles for your slight pitch and whatnot, top view, and your plumb and whatnot. And what was it? One thing I didn't like about this tiny Stabila I got not too long ago. There's no place to hang this, and it's also got no magnet whatsoever. So this has got a magnet, might be a little weak, and it does have a nice place to hang it. And I got this for 30 bucks on sale. It's regular 40. So I thought that was a pretty decent deal. Your red stick version of this goes for, I believe, 70 or 80 bucks, so less than half that price, so can't go wrong with that. And next, we're waiting on this guy. No, hold on. Go over these sockets real quick. Got a SK 3/4 half-inch drive, 12-point deep. This guy was real rough. It cleaned up all right though. This is a gray Canada, 25-30 seconds, half-inch shallow 12-point. It's hard to read on that. This is a gray 9/16 6-point half-inch. This is a Pennins USA, half-inch 12-point, half-inch drive. Here's a cool one, a Fleet of Canada, 7/16 12-point, half-inch drive. All these sockets have been fully cleaned up, by the way. They were not looking this nice when I got them. This is the SK Wayne 3/4 3/8 drive, 12-point. 3/8 drive Proto, Los Angeles. I believe these are from the 80s, and that's a half-inch 12-point. And this is the one that one of the last tools fell into the garbage can. Look at this, Apex. It's a 7/16 1/4-inch drive magnetic socket. Did a little looking, and this is quite a high-end brand. I believe this socket is like $30, which is kind of crazy. But oh my god, the weight of this, like, it's as heavy as this socket here. These feel almost identical. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, it's just a beefcake of a socket. And yeah, I'm not exactly sure. Like, this is not a mechanic style brand, so I don't know why this wouldn't just have been like a hex bit, like a nut setter. But very interesting nevertheless, and I think I'm gonna get a good on a use set of that. So, last but certainly not least, we have the Milwaukee Fuel, or Milwaukee M12 Fuel, multi-tool, oscillating tool, vibrator, whatever you like to call it. There it is. There's your model number. It is a 2526-20. Very easy to change blade on this guy. Flip this lever. And I looked in a video because you have to push this quite hard. Feels like you're going to break something, but you're not. Push it and it holds. Go on the bottom. When you got this, stuck a screwdriver in here to get it loose because it was really tight, but just unscrew that. This little nut right there. You don't have to take it out all the way unless you're putting on a blade or disc without cutouts. But there are magnets up under there to hold your blade once you get it in your desired location. Then you just spin this nut back down, just finger tight, and voila, there you go. So you got adjustment dial here, speed 2 to 12. It doesn't say what oscillations this goes from. One thing I like is how nicely this sits, like that, and also with your bigger batteries, it'll just stand up nicely. It's not tippy. LED light up on the front. So let's start on speed 2. Just show you how it sounds. And show you the light. Nice and controlled and quiet. I'll turn the speed up now. So definitely a noisemaker on high speed. Amazing though on just a slight bit down. Setting 10. That decibel difference. But yeah, there's that guy. It is good in the hand. Get in some funky places with this. you know, cutting door jambs, electrical boxes. You can do just about anything with these. You can put sanding pads on them. You put discs. One of the great things for these is to we've all done it when you're putting something together made out of wood, and you put a wood screw through. It's a bit too long, but you don't have the right size. Well, if it's not finished work and no one's gonna see the bottom of it, put a blade on for metal. Come in right flush with your wood, because you see how the blade profile works. You can get right in flush and just trim that screw right off. So yeah, guys, that's the haul. I hope you enjoyed. Quick shout out to Big Vic's Workshop and 357 Magdad. They sent me over some stickers. Awesome channels. You should really check them out. I'll link them both in the description below. And this is our new little shop mascot. Isn't he cute? Anyway, I've named him Bjorn. So he just sort of hangs out there for now. I don't know where he'll go when I get a 23mm deep socket. But he's there for now. So again, guys, thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, all that good stuff. Instagram in the description. Take it easy.